If you want to get online but cannot decide whether to build a website or start YouTube, here's the good news. You do not need to do everything at once. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the simplest order to follow, the one situation where I would change that order, and one small step you can complete within the next 24 hours. You may be wondering, is this for someone at my level? If you are over 50 and have a service, coaching idea, creative project, or useful experience to share, but online tools feel like another language, this is for you. You do not need to become a technology expert. You need a clear message, a simple place to visit, and a way for people to discover you. So yes, this is for you if you need a simple beginning and not another list of tools. It doesn't matter if you wait. What is the cost to you if you don't take some action? If you are like me, sometimes those ideas die on the vine. I don't like to admit how many projects I have started and not completed, but there are a few. I tell myself they just weren't the right ones. Or more often, I got really busy with life or my day job in the film business. The things I completed were done by my making a commitment to myself to finish them, and I was always rewarded with a great feeling of satisfaction. If you are not 100% committed, I would say don't give up on the idea, but put it aside for now and find something that you can give your full attention to. That said, once you find that thing, there is no need to chase every trend. When someone hears about you, they will often look online to understand what you do and how to reach you. If there is nowhere to send them, that interest can disappear. Starting now means creating one foundation you can improve later. The right time is not when you master the technology, it's when you are willing to begin. Hi, if we haven't met, I'm Gordon DL. I've spent over 40 years working as a prop master in the film industry and also as a professional musician and teacher. Over those years, I have spent many hours learning online tools, creating training, with the goal of turning complicated processes into manageable steps. However, almost always the first time I opened a new program, I became frustrated with the enormity of things I needed to learn. I think about when I started to use the web building platform Squarespace. I had heard it was a really good program, and it is, but I found it very confusing to navigate my way around it. I did what I often do when I learn new things. I would go to YouTube with a specific question about how to do something. If I found someone who could explain things in a clear and concise way, I would watch more of their videos, and in several cases, I would buy one of their courses. This is what has led me to starting online after 50. I wanted to offer patient and practical help without overwhelm. I have found ways to simplify the process of getting online and working with complicated apps by breaking things down into manageable steps. At the same time, it is my commitment to take the mystery out of using these tools. You do not need to become a tech person. You need a manageable first step. So what is missing from word of mouth, social posts, and videos alone? They can attract attention without giving people a next step. A viewer may enjoy your video and disappear because they do not know where to go. You need one place that explains who you help, what you offer, and what someone should do next. Content attracts attention. A home base gives that attention a next step. So what is the simplest online system you can build? In most cases, I recommend creating a simple one-page website first, and then using YouTube to help people find it. Your website is your online home base. It does not need 10 pages or perfect design. It needs to explain who you are, what you offer, and what visitors should do next. YouTube is the road to that home base. It lets viewers hear your voice and get comfortable with you. The solution is simply a clear home base and a helpful road leading to it. Here's the plan, reduced to 3 manageable steps. Stage 1, clarify your message. Choose one audience, one problem, and one result that you can help them achieve. You are choosing where to begin, not forever. Stage 2, publish one simple page. Add a headline, what you offer, information that builds trust, and one button telling the visitor what to do next. And stage 3, create 3 videos, what you help people accomplish, a common beginner mistake, and 3 steps for getting started. End each one by inviting viewers to visit your website. One exception, if you are unsure about your audience, topic, or offer, record 2 or 3 videos first. Notice the questions and what you enjoy teaching, and then create a basic page. That's your whole starting plan. One clear message, one simple page, and 3 helpful videos. Is this simple system worth the effort? Yes. Not because you need a huge audience, but because each part has a job. Your website explains, your videos demonstrate. Together, they help the right person take the next step. Viewer questions help you improve your message, your page, and future videos. The result is a clearer path between what you know and the people who may need it. So what was this all about again? Build a one-page website as your home base, then create useful videos that lead people to it. If your direction is unclear, test a few videos first. Here's something that you can do after watching this video. Complete this sentence. I help X with this problem, Y, so they can achieve Z, this result. And then write the next step you want that person to take. For instance, at Online After 50, I help older beginners take the mystery and frustration out of learning new tools to easily create an online presence. The next step for them is identify who their target audience or ideal customer is. Everything starts from there. So what I want you to do is write one version of I help people do this to achieve this, not the perfect version. If you wish, share it in the comments and look for the next video in the series, which will cover what to do if you get stuck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.